In this video we will learn about the main components of Metasploit. So let's begin. While using the Metasploit framework, you will primarily enter it with the Metasploit console. You can launch it using the msf console command. So let me show you how we can launch your Metasploit console. So I will just write msf console here and press enter to wait for it. It will take some time to load. So now as you can see, our MSF console has fully loaded. So this is the banner which you can see here. After that, you can see Metasploit working. We are currently running 6.3.21 and we have 2327 exploits, 1218 auxiliary, 413 post and 1385 payloads. So what do these numbers mean? We will learn this in our videos. So this console will be your main interface to interact with different modules of the Metasploit framework, but use a small component within the Metasploit framework built to perform a specific task such as exploiting a vulnerability, scanning a target, or performing a brute force attack. Before diving into the modules, it would be helpful to clarify a few recurring concepts such as what is a vulnerability, exploit, and payload. So an exploit is a piece of code that uses a vulnerability present on the target system. So now what is vulnerability? Vulnerability is a design, coding or logic flaw affecting the target system. The exploitation of a vulnerability can result in disclosing confidential information or allowing the attacker to execute the code on the target system. So now what is a payload? An exploit will take advantage of a vulnerability. However, if we want the exploit to have the result we want, such as gaining access to the target system or read confidential information, etc., then we need to use a payload. Payloads are the code that will run on the target system.